I'm excited, we got a new printer for the house. Hello my friends, Cheeks here. I picked up this Wi-Fi new HP printer at Costco and it was on sale. With manufacturer's rebate, it was only $29.99. The regular price, $89.99, $60 off. Come on, for a printer that's cheaper than ink. Now I'm gonna actually put down a link for you guys if you're looking for a good place to buy ink online. Had the other video we did for a Brother printer and I did a replacement cartridge for the laser and that was a great deal. The ink is like $30 just for a cartridge. So let's open it up here. The OfficeJet 3836. You got wireless, print, fax, scan, and copy. So what do we got here? 2 cartridges. So we got our black and our color. Here's your cord. Okay, so here we go. Voila! So here's your scanner. I got the cord. It looks like a little fish. Where is the power button? The power button. Come on, power. Yeah, there you go. Just powering up here. Oh! Okay, it says you have selected English. Yes. Country, you have selected Canada. Yes. How did it know it? February 17th. It already knows the date. Doesn't know the time. It's 5 o'clock. It says install the cartridge that came with the printer. We're gonna peel the black off. There you go. Just clicks right in. Here is the color. Right beside it. Okay. We're gonna add the paper. And it just sits on top nicely like this. It says the ink cartridge access door is open. Please close the door. Okay. How's that? We good? The ink cartridge access door is open. Please close the door. Touch OK to continue. What's it doing? I think it's printing a test and I didn't even do anything. All right, it's printing. Woohoo! Success, I did something right. I guess this is the test. Download the app and now we're setting up a new printer. Printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Checking printer status. Now, blah, blah, blah. Continue. Congratulations! So we've done everything right. So I got a little picture here of Fuzzy. It's processing. Here comes Fuzzy. We wait. Appreciate every guys' support here at Product Patrol. Hit that bell, bing, and get notified. We go once a week on Sundays. Comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll catch you later. So live life loud, cheers, and printing out. And we're done! So here it is, everybody. Fresh off the print. And there it is. Catch you later, everybody.